Best ways to use baking soda for blackheads. Blackheads make your skin look dull and ugly. So, clearing it quickly is essential, but squeezing is not the best option to clear them. Apart from using chemical treatments available at the salon, you can use natural remedies like baking soda as your weapon for sure-shot success against this nightmare. How does baking soda work in removing blackheads? The anti-inflammatory properties of baking soda will help to soothe the skin, to reduce the redness and inflammation. Who doesn't want flawless and clear skin without any blackheads? Are you one among those list of people suffering from blackheads? Want to know how to use baking soda for blackheads? Then check out these effective baking soda methods, which are safe and time-tested remedies for getting rid of blackheads. Method 1. Baking soda. It is the simplest and most widely used baking soda method for removing blackheads. Steps to be followed. Clean your face with warm water or place a wet cloth dipped in hot water over your face to open up the pores. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with enough of water to make it into a fine paste. Apply this paste on your face by focusing on blackheads affected area. Wait for 2-4 minutes and massage it gently in circular motion for another 2-4 minutes. This scrubbing process helps to remove the dead cells, dirt, and impurities along with blackheads. Wash it off with warm water followed by cold water to close the skin pores. Dry the skin and apply a facial moisturizer that suits your skin type to prevent dryness. If you want, use apple cider vinegar as a toner to balance the natural pH levels after this process by mixing equal quantities of vinegar and water. Continue applying this baking soda paste regularly until you cleared blackheads on the skin completely. Note: simply use diluted baking soda mix only on affected areas like nose, rather than whole skin, if you have sensitive or dry skin to prevent irritation. Alternatively, massage your damp face with enough of baking soda, concentrating on affected areas in a circular motion for about 30-40 seconds. Rinse it off with water and apply moisturizer. Method 2. Baking soda face mask with orange juice. Baking soda exfoliates the skin to clear acne causing impurities and excess sebum. Orange juice has rich content of vitamin C that tightens the skin pores and lightens the skin. This mask is used to treat acne blackheads caused by hormonal breakouts. Stir 1 tablespoon each of baking soda and fresh orange juice to make a thick paste. Apply this mask as a thin layer on the face, neck, and décolletage. Wait for 20 minutes and scrub it gently in circular motions by using your damp fingertips. Finally, rinse off the skin and pat dry it. Follow with a gentle toner and a moisturizer to get relief from the redness or irritation caused by this mask. Regular follow-up of this process will help you to get complete relief from blackheads caused by hormonal breakouts. Note: this mask will cause some tingling and itching sensation. Also, avoid taking, as this mask dries and any facial movements will cause it to flake off. Or mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda in 1 teaspoon of real orange juice to make a fine thick paste. Method 3. Baking soda with milk. The lactic acid in milk clears the skin pores with its exfoliating property. Steps to be followed. Mix 1-2 tablespoons of baking soda in enough milk till it forms into a fine paste. Apply this mix on the face and massage gently in circular motions. Wait for 2 to 3 minutes and splash with warm water followed with cool water. Do it once daily for best results. Method 4. Baking soda mask with apple cider vinegar. Both the ingredients are very effective in treating acne and blackheads without causing any damage to the skin. Steps to be followed. Pour 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 2 tablespoons of baking soda slowly. Stir it well until the bubbles are cleared and forms as a thin paste. Apply this paste on the face as a thick layer of the mask using your fingers. Let it stay for about 20-30 minutes or till it dries completely. Then rinse it off with warm water to remove any of the mask residues on the skin. Finally, splash with cold water and dry the skin to apply moisturizer. Apply this mask regularly to remove blackheads quickly. Tips and precautions: avoid applying baking soda on open wounds and squeezed pimples. Also, rinse the baking soda if the applied skin area starts stinging sensation or having any allergic reactions. Be sure to consult your dermatologist for quick relief. Don't repeat or overuse the baking soda methods, as it causes irritation along with drying and cracking the skin. You can also mix other natural ingredients like lemon juice, sugar, rubbing alcohol, herbs, honey, milk, tomato juice, oatmeal, etc. in baking soda, and apply this as a mask or scrub to get rid of blackheads. Avoid using harsh cleansers and other creams for removing blackheads. Instead, mix some baking soda into your cleanser for extra exfoliating effect to get rid of blackheads. Regularly wash your face for at least twice a day to clear dirt, dead cells and oils on the skin. Perform a skin patch test before using baking soda for blackheads if you're first-time user to know if it's causing any skin irritation before using it regularly for removing blackheads. Steam your face occasionally before applying baking soda methods on the face that help to open up the pores and gives the results at a faster rate. Try these amazing baking soda methods for removing your blackheads. Feel free to share your experience with us